Today, we unbox an ipollo V1 mini miner, an instruction manual. Now turn him around to take it out. This is a Wi-Fi receiver. This black one is the miner. This mining machine is not as heavy as imagined, and it can be lifted with one hand. There are two cooling fans here. Here is the network cable interface, as well as indicator lights and setting buttons. Overall, not bad. Small size will not take up a lot of space. Power cord and power supply need to be purchased additionally. This is an extra power supply I bought. I will test the machine later. Now we see that the calculation reaches 350 M per second, but it will fluctuate a little 5% up and due. Then, we are looking at his power consumption.